You are going to love the 2024 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated steering wheel, automatic climate control, cargo net, cargo cover, carpeted floor mats, lumbar support, first aid kit. Come see the car for yourself.